Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yuli, and welcome to my channel. And again, to those who are new to my channel, welcome. With all these increasing cases of coronavirus, I just hope that everyone is in good health and still staying at home or still doing the self-quarantine or home quarantine and been practicing proper hygiene. Please continue on doing so. Coronavirus will pass and we will move forward and we will learn from this experience. This has been our way of surviving. Kaya, kapit lang! I know a lot of you guys started working from home years before this pandemic started, and there are also some who just started in this kind of setup. Me myself, 1 year pa lang ako nagtatrabaho this kind of setup, and I came to love it very much. And you know, there's no long commute, no traffic, and I can be with my family whenever they need me. It is a complete opposite when I was working as a nurse. So nurses out there, if you don't see yourself working as a nurse here in the Philippines anymore, or you don't have any plans on going abroad, watch my video how I ended up working from home, certified healthcare virtual assistant. This might be a great opportunity for you to try. So if you wanna know more about my tips on how to stay focused and productive, please keep on watching. By knowing your schedule and setting your alarm, this will set your mind na, okay, magtatrabaho na ako and I will be working from home and these are my tasks for the day. This will help you prioritize your tasks for the day and will also help you manage your time more effectively, deliver and produce results. Can you guys function without food in your stomach? No, right? Same goes for me. I can't really function without food in my stomach. I get really irritated if I don't eat. I am working night shift, don't eat heavy dinner to compensate. There is a lot of coffee and snacking involved to keep me awake all throughout my shift. I know it's not healthy, but these are the only ways that can make me, stay alive all throughout my shift. So you guys should eat your meal. It's a basic need, and this will also help you stay focused and stay alive all throughout your shift. So dressing up and putting on makeup. Just like, you're working outside from your home, this is to continue the process and, will help you set your mind na I'm really working and I need to dress up, put on a little bit of makeup. And this is also to avoid those sudden situations na there's an emergency meeting and you're not really prepared to go online or to go live because you're not prepared, and in the end you're keeping your client waiting. That's why you should continue the process, dress up, put on makeup, and be prepared all the time for those sudden situations. Inform those people in your home that you were about to start working. Inform your mom, your brother, your partner, your nanny that you're about to start working. If you're working on a team, inform your teammates that you will be available what time, or you don't want to be disturbed to what time, or if they need you ASAP, tell them you can be reached on this number, or they can email you, inform your teammates. And also have your phone in a full volume so that you would know that someone in your teammates are trying to call you or trying to get your help on something. First, communicate with those people in your home, and then communicate with your teammates. I love taking breaks. I don't really like sitting on my chair for whole 4 hours or 8 hours. I need to take breaks to stretch my back or make myself a coffee or go to the bathroom, or go for a quick, walk outside for a change of scenery. So this will also help you to relax, distress, and regain your focus. So have your own work desk or home office. Have a noise cancelling headset, a faster internet connection with backup connections. If possible, have a laptop with longer battery life. Have a home office away from outside noise. This will help you stay focused, prevent and separate you from sudden distractions or interruptions. Keeping track of your time. Guys, honestly, guilty ako dito kasi I always forget to log in or to log out. There are days that I work 4 hours. There are also days that I work 8 hours. And because I don't track my time, sometimes nag-i-exceed ako ng oras. Or sometimes talaga, I forgot to log out. And we have this time tracking tool that we use in our work that will send us an email. This is the amount of time that you have rendered for that day. And I'm supposed to, rendered 4 hours or 8 hours on that day. Then I found out na nakalimutan ko palang mag-log out. Kaya, guys, keep track of your time. Time is money. Kaya, don't forget to log out or to time in. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Working from home moms are not superwoman. They also get tired, and there are also humans too that needs help. We have the same hours in a day, and it's just so amazing that we can do a lot of stuff in a given amount of time. Before, after I work, I still have to do mommy duties. If you haven't watched my video, Life of a Working Mom, whole week routine. So before, after I work, I still have to do mommy duties. And after that, I have to send my child to daycare, and I still have to wait. I only get to sleep 3 hours or 4 hours in a day, and I still have to work at night. So what I did is we hired a nanny. That is really a game changer. We hired a nanny, and then we bought a nanny car. After I get my child to daycare, so yung nanny na niya yung nagbabantay sa kanya, and I can get to sleep, 6 or 7 hours in a day, which is very good kasi hindi na ako, sleepy or tired when working at night. Moms out there, don't be afraid to ask for help. Be empowered enough to delegate your tasks to others. Ask help from others. Kasi, admitted, hindi naman natin talaga kaya lahat. There you go guys, those are my tips for you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye.